So guys, for science, we're going to be doing birds, reptiles, and amphibians. But first, we're going to do birds. Okay? So, what is a bird? Of course, you already know what a bird is. This is a bird. Okay? Anything that looks like this, that has feathers, that can fly, okay, is a bird. And what? Birds are oviparous. They reproduce through laying eggs. Remember, oviparous are the animals who reproduce through laying eggs. Okay, so birds are oviparous and they have feathers, they have wings, they can fly. However, bats, do you know what a bat is? Like the animal that is always kind of contagious, okay?
I'm Batman.
So, like Batman, but bats, not the man, okay? So, bats, they have feathers, of course, you know, they have feathers, like a wing shape, but they are not birds, okay? They are not birds. Sheep and cats are not birds, okay? Now, one quick question, guys. Is a vulture a bird? Ask your mom, ask your dad. Is a chicken a bird? Ask your mom, ask your dad. Is a goat a bird? Ask your dad, ask your mom, ask your brother, anybody around you. Is a cow a bird? You're going to find the answers and write them down on your notebook. Immediately after you copy this, ask these questions like is a bird? Is chicken a bird? Is a cow a bird? Is a goat a bird? Is sheep a bird? Is whatever you can ask. How many questions you can ask, okay? Ask these questions, write the questions and your answers down on your notebook. But first, you need to copy this, okay? Remember to copy the dates, the vocabulary. Okay, so guys, copy the dates, vocabulary, and objective, and you copy these notes, okay? After you copy these notes, under put what? A verb, and you ask the questions. Is this a bird? 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 Ask as many questions as you can. Write down the question and write down the answer, okay? And when you come to school, you give them to me, okay? Remember, I love you guys and I miss you guys. Okay, so guys, when you finish copying the notes, you're going to open this book, our class workbook, Living Things, and then you're going to go to page 16, and you're going to do these activities. I'm going to play the listening, and then you're going to listen and circle the animals, okay?
Listen and circle the animal.
Look, there are sharks in the aquarium. Can we go later, please, Mum? Sharks are my favourite fish. Look, Ben, a bright green frog. Where? There, on the leaf. Can you see it? My favourite animals are birds. Look, there's a parrot. I love coming to the zoo. My favourite animal is a crocodile. Where's my camera? Be careful, Coco.
Okay, so now you're going to circle the animals here, okay? And after that, you're going to match these pictures, okay? One is already done for you, so this is a fish, okay? So you're going to do that, and then you're going to listen to this, and you trace, and you match, okay? So I'm going to play the voice, number 11, so you can do this. Before then, you have to trace the words, okay? Viviparous, milk, her, and 4 legs. Okay, now I'm going to play so you can match, okay?
Listen, trace, and match.
Mammals are viviparous. Mammals drink their mother's milk. Mammals have hair. Mammals have 4 legs.
Listen.
Okay, guys, so here you're going to tick the animals, okay? Here you're going to tick the mammals, sorry. So you're going to tick the mammals. Remember what a mammal is, okay? A mammal reproduces through viviparous. They reproduce through their body. They give milk to their young ones, okay? So you have to look here and find what are mammals, okay? And then you go over to the next page, on page 18, and you use your sticker. We have these stickers, okay? You use your sticker. This sticker is for page 18. So here we have page 18, and you stick these pictures here. And I already told you that birds have feathers, wings, okay? These are feathers, but this is a bat, and a bat is not a bird, remember? And these are feathers and wings, so a bird has feathers which allows it to fly. Birds can fly. So what are you going to do here? Circle 5 birds. So here we have 5 birds, and you need to circle them, okay?